the beekeepers. We keep the whole place buzzing. Some say it's a love-hate relationship, but I'd say she just aims to take the mick. The first time was nothing too serious, just a passing of the honeymoon period. You wanna sleep with the light on, I want it off. You wanna speak all night while I'm nodding off. 1 minute, you wanna see me home till I'm there and you act like you wanna be alone. We're off track like a train in a wreck. We're forced to look back, there's a pain in my chest. A blank canvas that you painted with stress. No more love bites, now it's a pain in the neck. She says every dumb sound that I mutter will drip through one ear then gush out the other. Taking a liberty, baby, you're killing me. Saying the same things differently. Now tell me, why do I want you when I don't even need you? Every time that I see you, it's like you're not even there. And she said, why do I need you when I don't even want you? Every time that I see you, it's like you don't even care. And I know that she can tell we sort of had it too much to carry. How we ever gonna manage? Both look like we're not ready for the baggage. It's a wonder how we ever thought of marriage. Yeah, that joke was hard, but you know from start we both grown apart. You reply, I need peace for now. When I ask, can we translate these creases out? Nah, the two of us are not the same now. What we used to love is what we hate now. Fireworks in the bedroom, I miss that. Now I'm lucky to see a spark from a lit match. Oh, I should have put a ring on it. Well, you're lucky if I even put a fake bit of bling on it. Yeah, that's